Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lucky English for Beginners. I'm Sonia.
And I'm Ali. We are really pleased you came back to join us today.
Before we begin, just a quick reminder. If you enjoy learning English through relaxed, real conversations, please press the like button on this episode right now.
Yes, and subscribe to Lucky English for Beginners. When you subscribe, you are not only supporting the channel, you are helping your own English grow stronger every day.
Today's episode feels a little special.
It really does. We made this one especially because one of our listeners asked for it.
And if you are the person who sent that request, yes, we know you are here, you will recognize exactly what we are going to talk about.
Thank you so much for reaching out. We genuinely love it when you tell us the topics you want us to explain.
That's true. This podcast is not only ours, it belongs to all of you.
So, today we are going to look at 3 very small words that create big confusion for almost every learner.
Be, been, and being.
When people first meet these 3 words, they often freeze. They think, oh no, grammar danger ahead.
But please take a deep breath. There will be no complicated charts today, no long rule lists, no dull textbook style.
Only natural conversation, everyday situations, and easy English.
By the time we finish, you should feel much more comfortable with them.
Not perfect, but comfortable and confident.
And confidence always wins over perfection.
Every time. All right, let's start very gently.
Slow and calm.
Let me ask you something personal. When you were first trying to speak English, did you ever feel scared to open your mouth?
All the time. I was afraid of saying something wrong and looking foolish.
Same for me.
I kept thinking, what if I choose the wrong word? What if they laugh?
So many listeners are feeling that exact worry right now.
So if you are sitting there thinking, I will never get these verbs right.
Stop. Pause that thought immediately.
You are not bad at English. You are simply learning, and every learner needs time.
Now, let's come back to our 3 little words, be, been, and being.
They look alike, they sound quite similar, but each one belongs to a different moment in life, not a grammar rule, a real-life moment.
Let's begin with the easiest one to feel, the word be.
Be is the basic form, like the root of the verb.
We usually use be when we're talking about wishes, dreams, general truths, advice, or instructions.
Let me give you a simple everyday example.
Yes, please, real life only.
I can say, I want to be a better speaker.
Lovely sentence.
I'm not saying I am a better speaker right now. I'm not saying I was one before. I'm sharing a hope, a goal, something I wish for my future.
Exactly. So be often connects to dreams, plans, or gentle advice.
For example, a teacher might say, be quiet for a moment, please.
Or a friend says, be careful on the road tonight.
Or your mother says, be honest with me.
These are short, simple ideas, very common in daily conversations.
Now, let me ask you, Ali.
Go ahead.
If I say, I want to be calm when I speak English, is that correct?
Yes, perfect. Very natural English. No pressure at all.
Listeners, think about your own dreams right now. Say this sentence with us out loud.
I want to be successful, calm, more confident, better at listening.
That's be.
Okay, let's move forward very slowly. No rush at all.
Now we come to been.
Ah, yes. This one worries many people.
Listeners often ask, when should I use been?
And their faces look so concerned.
So let's take away the worry right now.
Been usually appears after have or has. I have been, she has been, we have been.
It talks about experience, something that happens before and still feels important today.
Simple real-life example. I have been tired all day.
That feels natural. I'm explaining how I feel now because of something earlier.
Another one. I have been to Islamabad many times.
I'm sharing experience. I went there before. The fact belongs to my life story now.
So been often means past experience that connects to the present, something that happened over a period and still affects me. I have been sick since Monday. Places I have visited or things I have tried.
Important note. Been almost never stands alone. It needs have or has as its friend.
We never say, I been tired. We say, I have been tired.
Think of been as a friendly word that always wants company.
Now, listeners, say these with us.
I have been nervous about speaking English.
I have been to the new food street in Lahore.
I have been waiting for this episode all week.
Wonderful. That's the feeling of been, past moments that still matter.
Now let's talk about the most interesting one, being.
Yes, being is special because it lives in the present moment.
We use being when we talk about temporary behavior, something happening right now or around now.
Example, I am being careful with my words today.
That means in this moment. Perhaps normally I speak quickly, but today I'm choosing to be careful.
Another one, the children are being noisy this evening.
It is only this evening, not their normal character.
So being shows temporary actions or moods that can change, behavior that is different from usual, something happening around the present time.
Let's compare quickly.
Okay.
He is kind. That is who he is, his character.
He is being kind today. Right now, he is choosing to act kind. Maybe it's unusual.
See? Small difference, big change in meaning.
Now let's slow down again.
Be, dreams, advice, general truths, instructions.
Been, past experience that connects to now, always with have or has.
Being, temporary behavior or state happening at the moment.
Simple and clear. And remember, you do not need to master everything today. Just let it settle slowly.
One honest sentence a day is more than enough.
Warm and encouraging. Before we go further, let me remind you of something important.
Yes? Making a mistake with be, been, or being is not a failure.
Staying silent because you are afraid, that is what really slows progress.
English is for talking, for connecting, for becoming more confident.
And you are already moving forward just by listening today.
So now that we feel more relaxed, let's speak honestly.
Even good learners get confused by these three words.
The confusion does not usually come from books.
It comes from fear of sounding incorrect.
People often tell me, I understand when I read or listen, but when I try to speak, my mind goes blank.
And very often, be, been, or being is the reason for that blank moment.
Because they are small words, but they carry time, emotion, and meaning.
So let's continue gently and understand them the way real people use them, not the way exams test them.
Let's start again with be, seen through everyday eyes.
In normal life, we use be for hopes and gentle guidance.
Imagine your friend is nervous about a job interview. You say, just be yourself, you'll be fine.
Here, be is about mindset, about intention.
Or a parent tells a child, be kind to your sister.
Simple advice, no time attached.
Now, let's move to been.
This one always links past and present.
Think about how we describe our week. I say, I've been busy lately.
I'm not only talking about the past, I'm explaining why I feel tired right now.
Or, I've been learning English since last year.
That sentence carries time, effort, and progress.
Notice again, been needs have or has. It does not like to stand alone.
Now, let's look at being.
This one is very human. It notices change.
Imagine a friend who is normally talkative. Today you say, you are being very quiet. Is everything okay?
You're not judging their whole personality. You're noticing this moment.
Being softens things. It leaves room for change.
Let's bring all three together in one small life story.
Imagine someone who wants to improve their English.
They say, I want to be fluent one day. Be equals goal, dream.
Then, I have been practicing every day. Been equals effort over time.
And now, I am being more careful with my pronunciation. Being equals temporary change right now.
Same person, same path. 3 different ways to talk about their journey.
When you feel it this way, the fear disappears. The words become useful tools instead of scary rules.
Now, let's face the part everyone worries about. Mistakes.
This is usually where people stop speaking.
I hear the same errors every week.
Many say, I am been happy today.
The idea is correct, but the form is not. We say, I am being happy today. Or more naturally, I am feeling happy today.
Another common one, I've been to the market.
We gently fix it to, I have been to the market.
English is kind when your intention is clear.
If you remember only one thing from today, let it be this.
English is not about perfect grammar. It is about